have a hello. We're gonna have an elevator ride. You're Kate and Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, so the elevator, can you press it? Okay. Now it's time to go in the pet floor right here. Gross. Okay, let's look at the numbers. It will take long. Just wait.
Wow, it looks delicious. Delicious. Give it to the blue cat.
6. Okay, now we're on the pants floor and the 7th floor. Okay, we can go now.
Come on.
Come on! Hi, there's you in the other distance. Let's go to the right. Okay, we're almost back. Just right on the direction. Keep straight, Kate. Now we're almost. We're here now. Now time to open. Now okay, well let's see what you're doing. Okay, okay, this is the room, my lab. This is the living room that Kate's doing. Oh, this is the entrance, the bathroom. Here's the kitchen. And the other room looks like a potato. Where? Okay, guys, what are you doing today?
Nothing.
Fine. You're doing fine?
You're doing fine.
Mom, how's your work?
Everything's cool.
Everything's, yes, cool. Okay,
You change your clothes now.
let's check out the closet. Our closet here. Here's the lights. The lights is open my clothes here. Here's the clothes. Are you ready? Okay, now I got to listen to my parents. Hi. Now it's time to let the nose started. Keep it directions. So keep on defending. Got right here. So you're okay. Today I'm gonna show you the food. The food. Here's the. Okay, so I showed you the house. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, goodbye.